Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can change the path of the recorded videos in Filmora. Changing the storage path for your personal recorded files in Filmora is a smart move, especially if your PC or a drive is getting full. Filmora stores screen recordings, webcam captures and voiceovers in specific folders, but you can redirect them this to an external drive or a large partition. So here is how you can change the recording path. So for this you need to click on the file and click on the preferences, and you will see that folder. You need to click on that, and here is the recorded files. Click on this document type icon and now change the path. For example, you want to select in the desktop and select the folder, for example Filmora, and now select folder and now click OK, and that's all. So this way you can easily change the path of the recorded files. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.